Hi, Bung. Hi, little monkey. Hello.
Holy moly! Oh my god! Oh my god! Baby, you rolled over!
Alright.
Baby!
Good job, little baby.
That was so easy now that you know. You rolled over!
It's like she figured it out.
You rolled over! You are such a good girl. You're so smart and strong. Look at you. Oh my goodness. You're such a pretty girl. Oh my gosh, that was like effortless.
Easy, huh?
Yeah.
Like she figured it out a couple minutes ago.
Oh
Good
my
job.
goodness.
Good
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Come here, roll over.
Come on, baby. Brianna. Hey. Hey.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Good
Oh,
job.
good girl.
That's okay.
Good girl. Try again. Try again. Ouch, that sounded like it hurt.
I think I'll move her to the. I think I'll move her over here where it's a little more padded. I don't want to discourage her from doing it. There we go. There we go. Yeah, she's probably scared to roll over.
Roll over.
Roll over.